welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to take you behind the scenes and show you how I make my phone charms. So I already have all the beads that I'll need for this design, and I'll be making them in different colors, but I'm going to start with the yellow one first. So as you can see, I have multiple pieces of each type of bead because I'm planning to make 5 phone charms in each color. We actually have an upcoming bazaar or market this November where we will be selling this. So even though it's still a few months away, we're already starting to prepare our inventory. And I also want to get a head start because with my pregnancy, I never really know how I'll feel from day to day. So sometimes I have so much energy and can create for hours, and other times I really don't feel like doing anything at all. So my mood and energy have been really unpredictable this past few months. So not just when it comes to making crafts, but with pretty much everything else these days. So that's why whenever I feel inspired to create new designs or restock my old phone charms, I really take advantage of that urge or that motivation while it's there. So let's make phone charms today and join me as I prepare these phone charms for my upcoming market. Hope you like it. all the yellow ones, and we also have magenta pink, and then light pink. We also have blue, and then the green ones. So by the way, for the green ones, I actually have two variations. So a light green and a dark green. The reason for this is because I ran out of the iridescent light green beads, so I just used the darker color ones for the remaining pieces. And then lastly, we also have violet. So same thing with the green. I ran out of the lighter shade, so I completed the violet designs using a darker shade of violet instead. And then, if you also notice, there are still some extra threads hanging here. So they're not really 100% finished just yet. And I still need to secure all the knots and cut off all these excess cords. So there you have it. And over here on the side, you can see that I actually have a lot more finished phone charm designs, but just like the ones I made today, they still have some excess cords hanging from them, so they still need finishing touches. And as you can see, I've already got quite a pile here. So I think I'm going to stop creating new designs for now and focus on finishing all of these phone charms that I've already made. And yeah, that's it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed watching and found it entertaining. And if you're also into beading, I hope you enjoyed watching the process as well. So let me know in the comments down below which color or phone charm design is your favorite. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. So it would really mean so much to me. Thank you so much again for watching, beaders, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye! Have a good day!